I'm Erin Courtney and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken Parmesan casserole. It is so easy to throw together, it should be illegal, seriously. So let's talk about chicken for a minute. I use a lot of cooked chicken in my freezer meal recipes, and you can do this, you can use cooked chicken in several different ways. You can buy the chicken, cook it yourself, shred it, use it for later. You can buy the bags of cooked chicken that's already fully cooked, or you can get a rotisserie chicken and you can pull the meat off of the bones. This is one of my favorite things to do. It's a little more labor intensive, but all of the combination of meat from the different parts of the chicken, the white meat, the dark meat, and pulling off the bones, it's got a really good flavor and texture to it, but you can use whatever style of cooked chicken you prefer. So let's get started on our chicken Parmesan casserole. Okay, so here are our ingredients. I have greased a 9 by 13 inch casserole dish, and I have cooked 8 ounces, half a pound, of penne pasta and put it in the bottom. You can use whatever kind of pasta you want in this recipe. I just chose to use penne pasta today. And then we have our chicken. This is picked from a rotisserie chicken, and this is a little over a half a pound. I measured it out, and then I tossed it with about half a teaspoon of 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. See, I can't even keep up with my own ingredients. And then I'm gonna cheat today and use store-bought sauce. That's okay, this saves a lot of time, and I love store-bought sauce. Okay, so I have my store-bought sauce, my chicken. It's about 2 cups of mozzarella cheese, 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, and then I have 1 cup of Italian style breadcrumbs with a half a cup of melted butter, and I mix those all in together, get them all nice and buttery. Okay, let's put this all together. I'm gonna take my chicken, and I'm just gonna sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle on top. Just wanna make sure it's evenly distributed on top of your pasta. Okay. I've got my sauce. I'm just gonna drizzle that, drizzle, all over top. Get as much sauce out as you can. I'm a big sauce person. Spread that over top. If you like a whole lot of sauce with your pasta, you can use more. Do whatever makes you happy. Next, I'm gonna do the Parmesan cheese. This is my favorite part. I also like a lot of cheese. I like a lot of cheese and a lot of sauce. Sprinkle that over top. And now our mozzarella. Oh, look at that, I'm spilling it everywhere. That's all right. Okay, now I have my buttered breadcrumbs, and I'm gonna sprinkle those all over top. Because it's not chicken Parmesan if it's not breaded, right? You can do this without the breadcrumbs if you prefer. If you wanna make a gluten-free version, you can use gluten-free pasta, and you can just 86 the breadcrumbs here, or use gluten-free breadcrumbs. Okay. Don't worry, I have washed my hands and cut my fingernails. All is well in the world. In fact, I'm gonna wash my hands. Okay, from here, you have your options. You can go ahead and bake it. You can put plastic wrap on it, stick it in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. Make sure you date it, or pop it in the freezer for up to 3 months. I'm hungry as usual, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and make it. 350 degrees, 30 to 40 minutes. Just depends on your oven. You just want to make sure everything is melted and hot and cheesy and gooey and perfect. Okay, so one of my favorite things about making any sort of Italian freezer meal, all you have to do is add garlic bread and get one of those Caesar side salad kits at the grocery store, and you've got an Italian feast. So you make the bread in the oven, you toss the salad together, sounds bad, and then you have an Italian feast all ready to go. So that's what I'm gonna do while my chicken Parmesan casserole is in the oven, I'm gonna make some garlic bread. You know, the frozen Texas toast. Who cares? It's awesome. Okay, so here it is, out of the oven. I am ready to dig in. Oh, it looks so good. Oh my gosh, look at all that cheese and chicken. Oh, buddy. Yes, that's what I'm talking about right there. That'll do it. And now we feast. Oh, look at that. Oh. Mmm. 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 Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. This is a keeper. Mmm. All right, that sums it up for my chicken Parmesan casserole. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions or comments or suggestions, please pop them in the comments, and I'll be back with more videos. Welcome to my kitchen.